Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy back again, and today we're coasting down the Golden Mile right here in Durban.
The skate park, whole lot of flow. Kids out here pulling moves, eating pavement and getting back up like champs. Durban's got that youthful fire there, real talk.
Had to stop for a cold one, straight from the coconut.
Hey, shoes off, toes in the sand, ocean kissing the edges. Ain't nothing more real than this moment right here. Early birds out here grinding. Joggers, skaters, cyclists, so this boardwalk's got energy. I'm just...
Street food in Durban hits different. Got myself a hot samosa, little bunny chow, and whew.
Alright, welcome to the Indian Quarter. And yo, this place is sensory overload.
Couldn't leave without this kwewe, real Durban masala. Taking this back to my kitchen. Next vlog might be a cook-up. Stay tuned. Cruising in the coast on two wheels, barter. This the move right here. Wind in the chest for ocean to...
Yo, the rhythm out here is unreal. These cats bringing me the beat with real soul, drums, vocals, and...
These beads, each one got a story. Patterns passed down, colors that mean something. Picking out a keychain for my bag. Travels better with meaning in the details.
Yo, fresh fades and good convo go hand in hand here. Just stopping by to admire the skill.
This spot's got two things I love: juice and views.
Had to get a little artsy today. This gallery got waves captured on canvas, colors that move like water. Art lets the city speak through silence, you feel me?
Fresh mango. Little sweet, little heat. That's Durban flavor. Vendor knew exactly what I needed. Simple snack, big joy.
Man, these kids got energy. Took a quick selfie. They said I'm the funny monkey from the internet. Close enough. They made my day.
Umbilo streets got art that hits deep. This mural right here, straight power, tells history and pride in every...
Yo, this little painted surfboard, going on my wall when I get back. Handmade, local love, real Durban detail. Art ain't gotta be big to be bold. Ending the day the way I like, bruh. Feet in the sand, stories by the fire. City still buzzing in the distance, but right here, it's just peace. Train stations like a human river, moving too fast, no apologies. Smells of grilled food, announcements echoing, everybody got...
Alright y'all, that's a wrap on my Durban journey. From spice markets to ocean views, this city